As I was cleaning up after breakfast this morning, I noticed something over here. Everything is all white covered, and I realized that my wood stove glass cleaner had frozen and leaked out all over the place. Luckily the bottle is still good, so that's fine, but now I got a little mess to clean up, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the mess up. Well, the nice thing is it's coming off pretty easy, so. If you're not sure what these are wire twister and strippers. You stick one wire up through the center and then one wire on each side, and it comes out these slots, and then you use the drill and it twists it right together and strips the two outside ones at the same time, supposedly. And it makes a nice tight connection for when wiring a house. That noise it's making there, when the wind blows, it makes that noise all night long. So hopefully this prevents it. I got a lot of snow piled up against it. Hopefully that stops it from rattling and banging and stuff when the wind blows. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. If you remember, this summer I put up a lot of foam board insulation up in the rafters that's up in the loft area. And I did that to try to stop the heat from going up through and melting the snow on the bottom side of this roof right here on the north side of the cabin. And unfortunately, I hate to say this, but I've had it up to almost 95 degrees inside the cabin already. And as you can see, there's no icicles or any water dripping off the roof. And if you look at the snow, there's no line of drips coming. There's a little bit way over there, but that's obviously from where the smokestack goes up through the roof. There's nothing I can really do about that. So I'm really pleased so far at how the roof is preventing the heat from going up through it. There's no line of drips or anything. So hopefully this works, and as the roof gets 2 or 3 feet of snow on it, it'll actually slide off instead of melting and freezing to the roof. It's the middle of the day on Saturday, so let's go out and go for a little ride out through the swamps and stuff. Let's see how the snow is today. It's Sunday morning and I'm cooking some breakfast, but look at what I woke up to this morning. I love it. It's snowing outside. And it's great to see a snow machine with fresh snow on it every morning. It's 22 degrees outside and 74 degrees inside at 10 a.m. this morning.